but I have to study this further before I can draw any conclusions. In the meantime, watch for anything out of the ordinary. I will let you know as soon as I learn anything of interest.
Don't hang up, Kessler. Kessler? Fuck.
You better leave if you want to get there before it's dark.
What do we got here? I bet that's Henderson on the other side. Do not fucking mess with me! That must be the ferry station. It's a little too quiet for my liking. Maybe they'll let me pass without a fight. Hey, fellas. You don't mind if I pass through here, do you?
No, we don't care. As long as you pay us what we want, you can do whatever the fuck you want.
I should have known. What do you want?
Everything you're carrying. Money, weapons, ammo, supplies, all of it. Now hand it over.
See, we were having a polite conversation and you bastards had to go and fuck it up.
Fine. We'll just kill you, and then take your shit. Makes no difference to me. Kill him! Shy! Shoot him!
What? Oh God! What's happening to me? Holy shit! Are you there, Kessler? Answer me!
Yes, I'm here. Has something happened?
Yeah, you could fucking say that! I went into some kind of rage.
Just calm down. There's no reason to get hysterical. Now, it sounds like the virus has mutated, but it appears to be very minor. I don't think you're in any real danger, but you definitely want to limit your exposure to any additional mutagens.
How comforting. And what happens if I go bananas again?
I suspect you have had similar symptoms before, but not so overwhelming. The theory you're feeling, that is the result of the mutation. It amplifies the release of large quantities of corticosteroids from the adrenal cortex. The mutation will not progress if you can avoid exposure to the mutagen again. But continual exposure can cause further, even more dangerous mutations, turning you into something quite horrifying. Perhaps instead of viewing this as a negative, you should embrace it. Learn to control it, focus it. Given the state of the world, a little extra something can be a bad thing. Am I right? Now, if you will excuse me, I have a situation to deal with.
It's gotta be close.
Oh, please! Please don't kill me!
It's okay, I'm here to help. Unlike those assholes who were holding you prisoner.
I was going to Henderson to try and find my family, and those damn prisoners caught me. They said they were going to use me as bait in case the infected attacked. Those bastards. Anyway, my name is Marvin. I owe you one.
Do you know how to start the ferry? Help me and we're square.
Yeah, of course I know. I worked there for 16 years, give or take. It's right here.
I found someone who can operate the ferry. We'll wait for you.
Understood. We're on our way. See you soon. Shit! The
We
guns
gotta
have
get these
attracted the
barricades
zombies.
up.
Here they come! They fucking come! Need some help! They're coming!
Here they are! Ready yourselves!
Zombies! Get our defenses ready. That ferry engine is fucking loud. Much louder than that water pump. Fuck. Wish we still had those machine guns.
Is there a reason why I'm doing this all by myself?
Get our defenses ready. That ferry engine is fucking...
Okay, remember, that ferry engine is going to be loud. We need to be ready for anything.
Those things gonna bust in here eventually.
Fuck.
All right, the engine on the ferry is going to be loud.
Help me!
Right, we gotta get these barricades up.
Those things gonna bust in here eventually.
We have to bring over the ferry. Help me!
Oh, you thought that pump was loud? Wait
Don't
until
just
you hear
stand
that
there.
ferry
Let's
engine.
go.
We need
The
to be
engines are
ready.
really loud, and they're going to attract all of the infected in this area. I want to get out of here as bad as you do, but we need to be ready, because once those things start coming, they're not going to stop until either we're dead or they are.
How can I say no? As ready as I'm gonna be.
I'll need a couple of minutes to get the engine started.
Hands up! Holy shit, they got through!
You want some more?
Time for these assholes to die!
Bloody dare you!
They're tearing me apart!
Shake infected! Infected, watch out! I see one. Ready yourselves.
Incoming! Time for these assholes to die! Look out!
Here they come. More infected.
Fuck. I need to rest.
Infected, watch
the devil!
Let's stop these motherfuckers!
There's one! You want to hold the other! Here they are! There they are!
They're ripping the fence to pieces! Hostile spotted!
Come again! Ready yourselves! Time for these devils to die!
The fence is gone! Roll back!
Piss off, you freak!
Incoming! Bloody zombies! They're coming! Here they come!
Watch it! Here they are!
These assholes that
Time for these devils to die! Help!
For fuck's sake!
Infected! Watch out! Infected! Ready yourselves!
More of them! You see them?
You will die with honor!
We got here in the nick of time. I love surprises.
Die! Watch out! Ready yourselves! Infected! Infected! Watch out! Get it off! Get it off!
You just saved my life.
Fuck! We will die with honor!
Zombies! Bridget?
Here they come!
They're coming!
Here we go!
Good on ya.
Henderson, thank God.
That's the end of
We're
that.
almost there.
The fair is
Let's
off.
go. We can't stay here any longer. It isn't safe. All right.
What are we waiting
Ready
for?
whenever you...
We did it! Get in! Go!
Yeah, let's go. That's the last of them. The fair is ours.
It's always worth taking a look.
Ready whenever you are. Yeah, let's do this.
Thanks, mate. It's great.